when you drive the Tesla, you have to train your brain not to step on the brake. Because no matter how hard or how light you step on it, you get pinched. No, mind you, I'm going 22 miles an hour in a residential area, and I used my brakes a few times. It pinched me, Tesla insurance pinched me for hard braking. So when you take your Tesla out, you can't use the brakes if you want to keep your insurance premium down. So if you're approaching that, I know I've told you this before, but if you're approaching that red light, run it, because otherwise your insurance will go up. You won't get pinched for running a red light, but you will get pinched if you use your brakes. It doesn't make any sense. Technically, you don't need brakes on these cars, but nobody drives like that. Come on, man. Do you know anybody that drives where, you know, you're coasting to a stop all the time, real slow? Who drives like that? You follow me, guys? Okay, we're gonna get the dogs in here, but I'm gonna wait for this car to cool down. I've got the AC on. Who drives real slow like that? Anyways, we lubricated the chain today on both bikes, both chains. We cleaned the sprockets, the cassette sprockets a little bit, and the major sprocket, the drive sprocket for pedaling. I readjusted this. I know how to set this thing now. I haven't done it yet because I haven't put the battery in. I adjusted this light to where I want it. I was going to do a little bit more on that too, by the way, but we're good. No wires in front of the light on this bike, and there's no wires in front of the light on that bike. So we got the chains cleaned. I cleaned the wheels. I didn't clean the wheels on this bike. It was stuck back in that corner, but at least I did the chain, both chains, and I got the wires away from the light. So that's a good. But yes, the reason why, I believe, I'm not really certain, but the reason why the speedometer is not working correctly, you can see that the cadence sensor magnet is not lining up with this magnet. So I have to get a special tool there. They've got a secure lock screw on there for whatever reason. So I did order one. They told me what size I need. It's a Torque 20 secure tip, which means it's hollow at the tip, so that you need that special tool to take that screw off. So we need to adjust that sensor and get it back to where it's supposed to be. Oh, here, let me throw these inside the car too, just in case. We do, here, let me pour some water in here too while I'm thinking about it. It's easier to do it now than get on the highway and then have to reach over and shit. Dog's gotta have a drink too, guys. I'm giving the dogs the best chance to go pee. Yeah, we cleaned up the bike a little bit, oiled the chains. The batteries are in a nice, cool spot inside the house. They're all charged, ready to go. I'll probably take this for a ride tomorrow because I do want to test this lens, see what it's like in the real world out there in the jungle of life. But anyways, okay. Just trying to think what else we need to do here. I don't think the dogs go pee that quick. So let me grab one of them, because when I take him out here, he will go pee. pretty well. They're getting more. I warned them not to pull when I take them for a walk, and they're being better about it. You constantly have to tell them to slow down. Go pee-pee. Multi-stage process here, you know what I'm saying? They'll go pee. Okay, slow down, slow down. We'll take them for a walk tonight too. A little bit later though, like 9-ish. When it cools down to 97. It's about 102 right now, I think. Yeah, we're gonna get a car wash. Go pee-pee. This air conditioner should be on. Yeah, so you can see it. I don't know if you can see it inside the car. The AC is on, keeping it 67 in there. It's another beautiful day in paradise, kids. I'm telling you. Yeah, the next trip, you know, if you go up to Bryan Head, I guess I'll have to take one of my Yetis with me. You know what I'm saying? This one here is squelching way less than this one, so the blue one here. So I'll probably end up taking the black one, BW. Black Widow. Okay, let's ship this. They had chicken tonight. They're happy campers, of course. Did you go pee-pee? Pee-pee? Stay. Okay, easy. Hey, slow down. Slow down. What the fuck do you think I am? Some type of Japanese sushi chef? We're not going for a walk. Stay. Hey, come on. Stay. Japanese sushi. Where the fuck I come up with that? Anyways, we're gonna shut you off. Just your ho-hum regular night. Maybe we'll go to the park and walk the dogs there, and I'll turn you on there. But it's interesting to see what kind of angle you have up here. Obviously, when you're on the bike, you're going to be leaning over like this. So I do have the camera kind of tweaked forward a little bit. Anyways, we're going to put some music on, and we're going to head to the car wash. Get a car wash. What do you say, guys? It's a highlight of our Thursday evening, guys. Here in the big time. Here in the big. Here in the big time city of Las Vegas. A couple roommates, man. It's 100 degrees out there. I don't know what you expect to gain with your window open. It is what it is. She's a good gal. She's been with me for quite some time. Okay, I'm going to shut you guys down because you probably can't see much anyways. Well, who knows? Maybe you can't. I'll leave it on for just a touch more. I want to see what kind of angle you get with my chest camera girl. Oh shit, I don't know if I use my brakes there or not. I gotta shut down.